only resets.
All right, guys, I'm coming at you with a little bit different of a reset. So this is a 2000 Honda CRV, and it has the analog dashboard. It doesn't have a digital dashboard. So right down here, it says maintenance required, and it has this red dash. That's how you know that the maintenance is due on this particular model. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the key, you're going to push it into this particular hole right here, and you'll see that that has now went to green. It's kind of hard to see, but wait, let me see. Yep, it's green now. So it's no longer red, and you can do that just with a simple key. And obviously the ignition's off because the key's in my hand, but you just push that in and it resets it back to green. Hope this helps somebody. It's not as annoying as the digital ones, but nonetheless, that's how you would reset it.